Now we have one last example to take a look at. Really, this is no different than reading from a file, except instead of a file, we provide a URL, in other words, a reference to the internet, to some web server, because we can open up files that are coming from a web server. We can actually open up a web page and get some information from it and treat it the same as though it was coming from a local file stored on our computer. To do this, we create a URL object in Java by saying URL and then giving a name to call it, in this case lowercase URL, equals new capital URL, and then in brackets as a quoted literal string we give a URL. In this case, and they have an example here of www.google.com/index.html. After this URL object is created, you can then go ahead and use the OpenStream method that's defined in the URL class to open an input stream and treat it exactly the same as you would treat a file. In other words, you can use a scanner with this because you can use a scanner with a file. The only difference is instead of providing a file object, you provide a URL object. So you would say scanner input equals new scanner, and then as an argument you would say url.openstream. And now suddenly it looks just like a normal disk file, but it's actually coming to you from the web.